Good morning, family. Happy Thursday. Come on, post FOMC. What type of trouble can we find today? Hope everybody's crushing. Everybody feeling good. Got some good sleep myself, so I'm feeling it. Morning, Mad Max. Welcome in, King. Bright and early. Let's go. Mohammed, welcome in, King. Let's go. Pobby, work. The family showing up. How we doing? How we doing? Post FOMC, what type of trouble we looking for? Kev, good morning, King. What type of trouble we looking for this morning? Finally got the first chat, LOL. Let's go, Max. Bright and early, King. Love seeing it. Locked out, made 211 for the day. And already locking it in, Pobby. I love that. Let's go, King. Devil MFF, let's go, baby. Welcome in, King. Max payout done. Hey! Drop a W for that man, Muhammad. Just got a max payout. Let's fucking go. Also made $7 on Warbucks so far. It's dope. You actually love it? Are you actually serious, Pobby? You love it? Bless up some max payouts today. Let's go, work. Way to show love. I can request a payout at $100 minimum. $100 minimum. My refresh page. The stream is all good, right? According to my stream deck, it is a little bit down, but y'all seem to be here, so I think we're chilling. Yeah, so far, try it, bro. All right, Bobby. He likes it. May give her a poke. Trying to make sure the stream's chilling. I think it is, but just gotta make sure here. There we go. Oh no, that was weird. I don't know, that was weird, but hey, we're in here, baby. Happy Thursday, family. Post FOMC. The market had some direction from TradingView. Okay, I like TradingView. I like that. We getting our year 5 funded today, King. Come on, Mo. I hope so, baby. A little bit of luck. We need a hit. Nice little trade. Kind of want to be patient. Even though I want to see the longs get here, I have a weird feeling we're going to find some selling. Happy motherfucking Thursday. Time to cash in. Let's go, Coop. Welcome in, King. Absolutely. Love having you here, brother. I appreciate it. Danny, good morning, Queen. Quick 50 on that short. Easy. Easy. Short in the first candle of the day, huh? Bold. I love you. I love it. I love it. The confidence. I personally want to see longs, but I have a feeling we're not seeing longs today. I have a feeling we could come in and retest this trend line. Maybe we could come back down and test FOMC prices, but I don't know. FOMC high. I have a feeling we're going to just find some selling here, but let's see what happens. 50 is 50, absolutely, Pobby. I'm already working on those 50k's. Let's go. Ahead of the times, Maxi. Save those for tomorrow. I love it. Make sure we're getting excited. Tomorrow, everybody, make sure you're tuning in. We're going to have Maxi on the stream. First time handling that. See if we can find some trouble here. Post FOMC. Not looking for trouble, just looking for monies. Come on. Long at the 160. I like it. Nice bottom tick there, Mo. Hopefully we can hold this view up for you, find some direction. Me personally, I want to see... I don't know what I really want to see. Maybe a test into the previous high at these 989, 25,000 whole number. Clearly acting some support. If we start finding some selling, could get wild. With which prop, Max? MFF, I believe. I believe, Danny. I believe. Hey. Still haven't activated any Apex accounts yet. Being patient, even though they have the deal going on right now. If you guys want to take advantage, you can. But I am trying to be... I don't know. I got these MFF rolling right now. Not sure if I want to do two at the exact same time. And then also... I think there could be a better deal coming for Thanksgiving, but I don't know. I don't technically want to take that gamble because they might not. But Blue 2 XFAs on NFP. Try to gamble for the first time. Took a payout yesterday. You're allowed to gamble when you take a payout, King. Let's go, Matrix. So happy for you, brother. Might wait for the 90% with Apex. I hope so too, Danny. If that's what they're coming, I just feel like it's a gamble. Because what if they don't do that? Bro said I ain't reading that shit. Come Ty. No to see it. LOL. Wait, what'd you say, Pobby? 50s is 50s. Bro said I ain't reading that shit. Come Ty. I know you see it. LOL. What did you? I didn't see your message, King. I'm trading view. Still have 2 XFAs left. Yes, sir. And you took a payout. Easy. I think they will, but a very short period. All right. All right. Now, ladies. Yeah. Hey. What do we got right now, family? Opening print price pretty stagnant on the NASDAQ. Opened at the 210s. Have a 57 to 49. Holy shit. Almost a 100-point range on the first opening candle, actually. This first opening candle is almost 100 points. 250 to the 150s. Holy shit. Let's dial in here. Let us dial. I said a hole is a hole. 820 plus. Got out at the 200s. Got out too early. No worries, King. Great trading, Mo. This push is crazy. We held the VWAP tap there. Starting to look like we're printing a little bit higher, but I'm not going to necessarily believe them yet. I want to see a little bit more support. Kind of seeing a lot of reactions in around this price to find some potential selling. The volume lately has been insane. Easy 100 points like it's nothing. Like it's nothing, Danny. This opening print candle was 100 points. So we got to just deep breaths. Take our time here, family. Find a nice position to get into, and we can pass these accounts. You know what I mean? Just take our time. Scary to go bigger size, I know. Break even for the day on my XFA. Down 800 in the London session. Hey, glad you're break even, Mo. Good trading, King. It is scary to go bigger size, Danny. That's why I'm going to be as patient as we can. I don't like anything. Yep, me neither, Maxi. Not liking anything right now. I like the volatility. That's one thing I'm into. I think the volatility is kind of attractive, but the actual range, the actual structure of the chart, a little stale right now. What's gold doing anyways? Found some selling yesterday. Holy shit. This overnight? This is the overnight. Why does gold move so crazy in Asia? Look at this. From the 40,000, pretty much 41,000 whole number, 4,100, down into the 40s. Insane. Just a wild move. Just gross. Gross. Yo, family, asking early today, kings and queens. We got 20 people in here already. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit that like button. Let's get this stream popping. Let's get to 20 right away. Let's just get to 20 right away. If everyone in here just hit that little bit of love, we'd be done. Don't even have to worry about it. Easiest way to support the stream. Maybe we can find some love and find a little bit of continuation in these accounts. Get these passed today. Not going to look for it necessarily. We're not going to be greedy, but we're going to look. See if we can get trouble we can find. King, I got my payout in 3 minutes. 2,400 times 3. 7,200 on my MFF core. I'm on the moon today. Gonna take my whole family to a steak dinner tonight. Mo, that's fucking amazing, King. Trading for freedom. Trading for family. I love it, man. Way to just pass, brother. Way to pass the challenges, King. It's not easy. Show up every day. Keep pushing through. And now you get to share it with your loved ones. It's the best. Super happy for you, man. Hope the dinner's great. Hope the vibes continue for you. Ride this high out. 264 is our high of day right now, which it is lining up with some other spots. So if we start pushing through there, it could get interesting. Also could find some selling. Because the Chinese trade a lot of gold. I believe they are all the most active for gold. That makes sense. Makes a lot of sense, Pobby. Way to show love, Danny. Showing love to that Mo for hitting the trade. I missed something video with Max. Can you please repeat? I missed something video with Max. Can you please repeat? Yeah, Matrix, tomorrow morning, we're going to hop on stream with Maxi. We're going to have our first little community stream. We're going to have, it might just be his voice. I guess he doesn't have a camera maybe, so it might just be his little tuning in. I haven't exactly figured out yet how to, oh, look at this. I haven't exactly figured out yet how to make it so that you guys can hear him, but that's what we're working on. I gotta ask ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure it's just Skype, but same time. Yes, sir. Same time, King. 9:30. He's gonna be on here. Good morning. Good luck to all. Diego, welcome in, King. I appreciate it. Way to show vibes. Way to show love to the community. Right now, guys, be patient. We have a 100-point range on our opening print candle, and we're barcoding inside of it. Let's just let things play out. If I hopped on live, Ty would have to give me a script before I started saying wild shit. We need it, Pavi. I'll let you run rampant, King. Max will make us all rich tomorrow. Let's fucking go. Let's go. Full port with Max. Full port, Max. Maybe we have some funded accounts, too. Maybe I'll have these funded, and then we can just see what type of trouble we can get in with the Maxi. Maximilian. Hey. Philly Fed index rebounds more than expected in November. All right. This isn't good. All right. Yes, full port with Max. Good morning, Amy. Welcome in, King. Happy to have you here, brother. Let's be patient and get paid today. We have a nice strong range. Opening print candle, almost 100 points. Now we're barcoding inside of it. Let us be patient and get paid today. Already got 21 people in here yet, family. If we could hit those hit that like button. Let's get it popping. Let's hit that 20 right away. Guys, go into debt for Max tomorrow. Not a drill. Not a drill. This is not a drill. We're going to learn some new systems tomorrow, potentially with the Bollinger Bands. See if we like it. Again, I just want to provide as much insight as we can for you guys, and money tips and as many strategies. Everyone has their own way, and I'm excited to get some different insight on here, so it'll be fucking awesome. Exceptions are high, Maxi. Expectations are high. Nah, it's not. It's just going to be exciting. That's mostly what we're feeling. We're just excited, Max. It's going to be fun. Have the community on here. See how it all rolls. We lose money every single day. If we lose tomorrow, it's just another day. If we win, that's just another thing. Should have held my 160 gold till the 220s, but a 40-point long ain't that bad. Can never complain about that, Mo. Now the sellers not let the buyers go up. If we break the 250, there's more up. Let's see if the sellers retest to 25,000, the 100, or the break. I kind of want to see the 25,000 myself. It's kind of what I want to see myself. Come testing these FOMC prices. But we'll see if they can break through these VWAP. That'll be its own thing. For real, I'm gonna max out a credit card. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King. You got the hiccups. Welcome in, Paul. Just kidding. Excited for you to be on. Absolutely, Danny. We know, Queen. It's gonna be fun. We know you're kidding, though. It's gonna be so much fun. Get some different insights. Get some different strategies. Talk some trading. Talk the charts. Holding VWAP right now. If we give that up, could get interesting. I kind of want to see FOMC prices get touched into the 25,000 whole number, but I don't know. We might keep printing bullish today. This is our daily candle. Open, low, high. So we're right near a strong doji print. As you can see, opened low and now the high. So we're looking pretty decent. If we close up and around positive of VWAP, I would take that for a continuation possibly. Whoa. Look at that candle, family. 170s to the 230s. Another 60-point candle there. Easy. $240s now. 70-point candle. Easy. Got in at the 172s. Target the 215. What a trade, Mo. Just sniped that, King. Look at that. Let's see if it breaks the 250s. Kind of have a feeling we could. I kind of want to take this buy, but I don't want to do it with a micro. Kind of want to buy these 200s. But I feel like doing it with a mini would be dangerous. Kind of want to buy it with a micro or two. You know what? I hate it because I got to do it. Buy 5 limit. Buy 5 micros. I'm buying the 200s possibly if we get a pullback down there with some micros. Don't know if I'm actually going to get filled here. Feels a little bit out, but I want to see some continuation. I'm going to have a tight stop on this if we do get a fill. Just got teased on our entry there. No way I'm going to get a fill now, huh? Well, maybe. Let's be patient here.
Order filled.
All right, we did immediately get filled there on the 200s with 5 micros. Gonna put our stop loss in pretty early here. Sell 5 stop. 165, so we're risking about 40 points there. I'm gonna come below the VWAP for now. I'm gonna go back over this 1 minute just to see what the ATR is. 34 roughly, so we are safe being in around 40 points. See if we can find any continuation. Otherwise, the shorts may be the ones in control today. Otherwise, the shorts, maybe. But I want to see if we can find some continuation here. Pulling up with that momentum. What up, mother truckers? There's the saucy. Come on, King. 860 done for the day. I love it, Mo. Congrats, King. Let's get the juices flowing, huh? Come on, Sauce. How we doing? How we feeling? How we doing? How we feeling? Black below the EMA. A little unfortunate there. Want to see the buyers respond. Looks like the sellers are still holding this down. Barcoding within the range. Let's see if the NASDAQ wants to get a little excited through here. Let's see if the NASDAQ wants to get excited through here. Feels like no, though. I wanted to see this nice volume, find some continuation, but instead found some more selling. I feel like we could get a little explosive through here if we do start finding some buyers, so let's just be patient. If we start finding some buyers, it could get a little explosive through here. Buyers are starting to show up. I'm liking it. Oh, this is 1 micro because it's 5. I meant to do... Oh, gosh. Thank you, Mo. Damn it. I'm in 1 micro here, family, because I thought it was 5. I thought it was half. I thought I was doing... Fuck. Oh, okay. Well. That's unfortunate. Beautiful entry. And now it's just printing for us, and I can barely even get to benefit from it. Oh my God, family, how tragic. All right, well, we're going to full exit this, I think, here. Damn it. You can take it all the way up to liquidity. I only have 1 micro on right now. I meant to have 5. I put the order of 5 in and got confused. I mean, I needed to do 25 to get the micros. God damn it. This is why I shouldn't have flipped over. That's why I shouldn't have flipped over. LOL. Not seeing we can, King. 52,361, huh? I would love to see that. That could be spicy. Long from the 187s, targeting 300. Let's go, Maxi. Also looking for the 3s. Could be pretty spicy if we find some volume up and around there. Well, I gotta sell this now. Sell 5 limit. Damn it. I'm gonna put our break even on as well here. Not be crazy. Still had a good trade management. Now that that's going to play out, though, I'm going to let that play out and try to find a better fill up on our NASDAQ here. Or I guess I could keep adding into this. So I could do like this. Buy another 15.
Order filled.
Just got tapped into there for more position. So now I'm in 20. All right. I want to see if we can find some support with these longs. Otherwise, we could just find the selling now. Long 5, or no, technically 4 micros from the 217s. Nice little move there for some continuation, possibly. Why you sell, King? I didn't sell. Amy. I put more. I'm buying, and I bought more positions. Love that candle, but I don't like the fact that the sellers took it back down there. Want to see some continuation from our longs here. Can we hold that price? Wanted to see us hold above the top of this opening print candle. Anything above the 240s, I'm pretty bullish. Let's see if we can get this to keep reaching for us here. Got to get through this price. Got to get through this price. If we can break up through these 40s, or the 60, yeah, the 45s. Break through the 45s with a close, I'll put our break even on. That 5-minute candle is so ugly. I'm out. 228s. Way less stress trading micros, huh? Yeah, it is so far. So far, it is for sure, Maxi. You got this, King. I appreciate it, Pobby. She tapped London highs. Looks like that might have been enough. Sometimes we're getting a continuation. Good luck, King. I'm going to go to sleep. I was up since 5 a.m. No worries, Matrix. Appreciate you being here, King. Congrats on the payout, dude. And you got a couple XFAs left, so keep riding. Yo, there's 30 people watching. You beautiful people. If you haven't yet, show some love. Hit the like button. Let's get the stream popping. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Now I'm going to move our trade to break even. Actually, I got to close this. I have 20, so I got to go here. Sell 20. 1220 stop. Okay, now I have my break even on, and I'm going to change this price to this and 20 limit. All right, we're riding now. See if we can find some continuation in the NASDAQ here. We have put our break even on since we closed back above this opening print candle, that 100-point range. If we're going to find some continuation, we got to see it. Don't want to be messing around with anything here. You can see the volatility is kind of insane.
Stop filled.
Just got tapped out there for a break even. Up $5. We up $5. Up $5. Took another long from the 214s out of the 249s. Good morning, King. Let's go, Corey. Welcome in, brother. Way to show some love. Oh, maybe we should just be doing that. What Maxi's doing, just little quick scalps. I mean, little snipes. Rather than looking for the move. It feels like it wants to print here. Slow grind up, maybe. That's kind of what I'm saying. That's kind of what I'm thinking. $5 holla. Little dollar holla make you holla. Brr, freezing in here. Brr, 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 brr. All right, NASDAQ, what you got for us? If this keeps printing out the highs, I expect some continuation. We love you a long time. Let's go, Pobby. Data at the 10, I think. What is it, Kev? What information are we getting? Be careful with fees for each mini and MNQ. Yep. No, that's fair. kind of want to buy this, but it feels crazy. Feels a little bit crazy. Itching to trade, up 860 on my XFA and 340 on 3 Lucids. Keep trading for stop, King. I don't know, Mo, because you already did what you wanted, King. And you're trading well. Maybe just a couple more with tight stops if you see anything really good. But you're already up, buddy. You're on a high. No reason to ruin the high either. You know what I mean? Just enjoy it, ride it out, lock out, feel good about it for a while. Yeah, the fuels will eat you up. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, Sai. Welcome in, King. 1 mini is 458. 1 MNQ is 174. That's, yeah, appreciate you, I mean. They can add up for sure. Home sales, appreciate you, Kev. Home sales in 5 minutes. What type of injection are we going to get? Also, did you hear that Top Step is making an announcement sometime this week? I think that is the cancellation of activation fees, Poppy, but I'm not 100%, but I think so. I would stop. She has been kind to you today. Yeah, Mo, maybe lock it in. I don't know why I always feel like gambling when I get a fat payout. It's normal. You're feeling strong, feeling like you can't lose, King. Very normal. The market is still the market, though. So, riding this EMA. Part of me wants to try to participate with them, but scary, so scary. Here they go. Into the 270s. Can we get excited through here? Our first 15 minutes in. I'm going to get our box drawn up. Look at this weird little box. And then we pushed up through. Now we're still pushing through. $300's coming. Slow grind up right now. Feels like the 300's a lock. 300 feels like a lock here. I don't feel good with this momentum. Price holds long time in the 250s and can break it. Did we reverse from here? I don't know. It was a little bit of resistance there at the 250s, but we did break through. Lots of volume just came in here now. One of the bigger volume candles we've seen of the day. Actually, the biggest volume candle we've seen of the day. So expect some continuation possibly. Up into the 290s. Nasdaq's looking pretty bullish, guys. Nice rejection candle there, though. Strong rejection there at the 300s. I'm going to buy one here. A little behind. A little bit behind that, it appears. I'm just going to go for a quick scalp. Trying to ride the 5 into maybe the 300s there, but looks like we did not get a fill. I was a little bit behind. Still looking to maybe grab some momentum at this EMA if we can find a touch. I'm going to look to join this. Good morning, King. Welcome in, Christopher. Close above the London high. Take out the London high. Let's fucking go. NFP did almost nothing today. Kind of insane. That was a quick $100, quick 100 sell. I love it, Danny. Oh, a little stretch. A little $100 off that sell at the top. Bold. I think we're going to get a nice bullish print here. I'm trying to get in with it. I have a feeling we're going to find a bullish print here. Could get gross, though. 80s almost always has a small pullback. Isn't that weird? Because it really does. The 80s and the 20s seem to be a little something there. I wanted to get in with that. I got nervous, though. Didn't get my order in. I was looking over this side. Can you give me a fill here, Nazi? I know you've been giving me opportunities, and I keep fucking messing it up, so. She's giving us opportunities to join this long. Yep. There she goes. That was her final opportunity for us, and we missed it.
Order filled.
Wait, what? Oh, God, I just shorted this because I never took off my order at the 300s. Holy fuck. Yeah, we're going to close that out. Let's give it a second, though. Getting a little bit of reaction down here. Just shorted the 300s kind of on accident on these MNQs. Buy 20 stop. Break even's gonna be on this. Let this thing ride out, maybe. I don't think so. I think the longs are gonna clearly bring this thing right back up, but either way, just for fun. You gotta remember to take off orders. Gotta remember to take off orders. That can get tricky if we don't start doing that better. Gotta remember to be taking off orders, family. That could get dangerous if we're messing around with other things and that happens to us in the future. Higher King 4 hour looks good. I like it, Christopher. I think we're gonna go higher as well. Missed it too, yuck. Top tick. Nice. Break even at least, though. That's so funny.
Stop filled.
I did. I've closed it. It's had a break even on there, Maxi. Gotta really remember to do that. That gray button is your friend. This one here. Ooh, just took off an order now, actually. Okay, you're right. Oh, why'd you do me like that? Why would I get break even before the fun? Look at that. Good morning, fam. What did I miss? TLR, nothing much, King. Welcome in. Marcus gotten some decent range post FOMC. Of course, I get bottom ticked or top ticked off that. Like, of course, you know what I mean? Like, not just of course. Just of course. Nasdaq starting to find a little bit of selling now, getting back below the EMA for the first time. One of the first closes below the EMA. Gonna make some money. Gotta make some monies. That's why I told you why you take a sell and you forgot the order. Be careful, King. I appreciate it. I mean, I didn't know what you meant, King, but yeah, no, I gotta be careful with that for sure. Almost just got caught into some trouble there on accident. Unintentional. Almost got caught in some trouble there unintentionally. Having an order just left. Hey, Ty, I haven't had a big bag of chips in 2 weeks. Haven't had a bag of chips in 2 weeks, Pobby. Are you serious, King? Let's fucking go. Drop a W for that. Healthy traders are profitable traders, King. Way to stay away from that shit. I love hearing that, Pobs. God, I am so cold in this apartment right now. Fuck, dude. Brr. It's Maine. It's winter out here, family. Fuck. Where my summer at? Where that sun at? Nasdaq holding pretty strong here into the 280s. And even that order hit your break even and go down, LOL. It's like someone just watching us, isn't it? Nasdaq looks to be struggling above this. Nasty price action, really slow. That's what I'm saying too, Max. Things seem to be a little interesting right now. That was a big selling candle. Not even the most volume, but a big reaction. Maybe an overreaction. That shot mistake was not too bad. And hot Cheetos. LOL, the extra hot ones. The extra hot ones. Holy shit. Nice little reaction there. Nice little selling reaction. It's a hard zone. Look at the 4-hour candle. Yo, is there only the 1 hour on this? We have to do custom and make it 4. Top tick that 300 to the dot. Let's go, Max. I should have been stuck in this short, too, from our fucking micros, even though it got clicked off. Of course, we got top ticked. Oh, yeah, that shit will incinerate your gut. In short at the 60s, that was a nice little push. That was a great little push. Still finding some continuation, Danny. I want to find some shorts now, I think. Still buyers. Still think buyers are better, though. Okay. 100-point short. No, I'm not short, King. Okay. Maxie likes longs, actually. I kind of don't know if I agree. I kind of like the... selling pressure that we're getting right now off the rotation of those 300s. Kind of want to find some continued selling, I think. Below the range, maybe. We'll see. That's what I thought. Maybe the reverse started, but the trend's up, so I get you, I mean. The trend is up, so we're trying to fade them, but I want to find some selling. I actually have a strong gut, LOL. It takes a lot to make me have the runs. I believe it. You're Mexican. You've been trained for this. Fill in the news gap. What is the news gap, Danny? Pulled down perfectly into the 50% of the range. Now we're getting close to VWAP here. Sellers really stepping in. Brr. Excuse me. Maybe fake sellers? I don't know, Max. It's a lot of momentum here, King. A lot of momentum. And the sellers and the buyers kept trying to bring it up. And sellers stepped right in there. So I don't necessarily think I'm going to fade it immediately. I'm still looking to short, I think. I'm still looking to the downside, I think, possibly. Especially if we avoid VWAP here. If we go get a VWAP touch, that could be longs getting filled back in, maybe. Looking for continuation. We're well deep into the 15-minute range now, so. The 8:30 news candle. What I missed, King, was on the porcelain throne. Saab, welcome in, King. You didn't miss much, brother. The market's doing things. Strong opening 100-point range candle. Found some continuation up into the 300s. From there, we've sold off a little bit, defending the 3s, back into the 2s. The range is there right now, so see what type of trouble we can get into. Slightly avoiding the VWAP here. I want to find some shorts. That's the thing, I think. Could be crazy. If we reverse at 1 minute in gap, I'll long till the 300s. If we inverse these gaps. All right. No, I take off now. Let him do their movie and just watching to see the real move. No, I take off now. Let them do their move and just watch until see the real move. I like it, I mean. NVIDIA had big earnings. Yeah, they did. They fucking crushed. They crushed. It's NVIDIA, baby. What are we expecting? What are we expecting? Into the VWAP now. From the 300s down into the 170s. Just one-sided pretty much. If the longs hold this VWAP, it's going to look interesting. I like micros when I'm just not as confident, but I want to try it. You know what I mean? Like, I like micros when I don't feel as confident, but I want to get in the move. Looking to short this momentum. Short at the 18, just 2 micros. I want to see if we can get a chance here. Give me a little pepperoni and cheese, Nazi. Look at her avoiding our price. Interesting, interesting. I think we're going to go find some more selling now because I didn't get a fill. Maybe. Just possibly, maybe. Candle close above 226. I'm longing. I like that, I mean. That means that's where my stop should be, maybe. Brr, freezing. Still looking to get a fill at these 18s. I think we could even find a little bit more of a pump through it. That's why I'm going to use these micros to try to find the spot. Holy shit, we just cannot get a fill. I'm trying a little long here too, micros. Hey, I'm trying a little short here, 2 micros. I love it. And I just cannot get a fill. I've had twice my price have been teased. Now we have to update our price, I think. I think we might find some support here, Maxi.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in finally. I'm going to keep an eye on this so I can just have a better idea of where I want to look to add in more. Possibly up and around these 47s. So that'd be up and around here. Two micros. I'm already out. Small 70 bucks. Small 70 bucks. Locked it in. I love it. I want to see the sellers really take this thing down. Right now, they're appearing to not have that, though. Come take out this bottom. It's weak bottom at the 82s. Get down there. Get heavy. Go take out these bottoms and then go test out that VWAP for me. Go take out that VWAP. Let's go see what happens down here. Nice little move. Buy 10 stop. Break even's gonna be on. Just got the move really that we wanted to see. Should have probably sold into that momentum, honestly. If we continue to hold VWAP, that'll be interesting. Don't have trailing drawdown, so we can afford it. Look at that selling volume, though. Didn't have necessarily want to see it react like that. Huh. Reason I'm not exiting right now, family, is because I kind of want to see if this breaks. I think we're going to go see the 25,000. So I'm just trying to be patient. If we start breaking here and don't hold, I think we go see the 25,000 whole number. So I'm just trying to be patient here. It's only a couple micros. It's not a big deal. Good shit, Max, for sure. What's the scoop? I was away for a min. Quick $50 on that short. Let's go, Danny. Good job, Queen. Missed my Filipino. That might be my favorite one, Sobs. A little Filipino. If breaks, maybe you should add more. Yeah, if we break below this, I'm going to start looking to maybe add into this position. If not, we're going to get stop break even for two micros. No big deal. But if this gets heavy through here, we could go see the 25s. Looks like we're kind of holding VWAP, though. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Kind of liking the reactions here. Kind of liking the reactions here. I want to see a little bit bigger of a pull down, though. I want to see us go take out like this opening print low. We never even touched it. So I'm going to go take out the bottom of the 15-minute range. 146s, I think, is going to be the clean target. In fact, if this does start to sell through, I might add into this, family. But we got to get to the hole through the VWAP. That's what we really need to see here. This is a lot of buying absorption. Look at the wicks. Lots of wick prices around here, which to me is liquidity. So if the longs do get stopped out, they're going to have to add back in, and we're going to find some deeper selling. So I'm going to be patient. I think we could go see the 25,100s here. Or we're going to get break even. One of those two. We're either going to hold this and fly up to our break even, or we're going to find some more selling and get down to those 25,100s is kind of what I want to see. It's just 2 micros, so just let the trade play out. Might even add another one here.
Order filled.
Shorted another one at this EMA. Might come get a break even now, sadly. Nope. There's our price. Didn't even put our break even on. So this would be a 15 buy stop. NASDAQ looks like it is holding a VWAP here, sadly. Looks like we are starting to hold this VWAP. I'm going to be closing this if we break back above this 15-minute range here. Closing this if we continue up into this top of the range. I don't think this is this looks pretty strong. This looks pretty strong from the longs, continuation off the VWAP there. Couldn't break through. Never even we held the bottom of the 15-minute range the whole time as well. I'll come back and take a look at this. Yeah, I like the strength that they're showing here. Big support VWAP for sure, Danny. Holding strong right there. 400, another long times 5. Let's go, Maxi. Wow, what a candle. Yeah, the strength just popped up in there. That's what I just watching. Let there do. That's why I'm just watching. I let there do the move. I like it. Just going to be patient with this. See if we can get back in around our fill. This is a nice amount of volume. I don't know. I know I could get out for pretty much a break even right now, but part of me likes the fact that we're still stuck inside the top of the range. I don't necessarily fully believe it that the shorts are done. I want to see another test of the VWAP maybe. No, these longs are real. No, I'm closing that. I like the volume that we're popping in there. Longs are very real. I don't like that we avoided the top of the bottom of the range there. Slow grind up. 4 accounts are at 1,500 and one is at 2,500. Let's fucking go, Max. Great trading, King. Love hearing that shit. Wow, what a candle. Longs are still looking like they're having a little bit of support. I don't really like that reaction. Pretty interesting price action overall, family. Pretty nice price. Pretty interesting price action. Yo, there's 30 beautiful people watching, family. If we haven't hit that goal yet, let's hit those likes. Show some love. Looking for 20 likes. Can we get there? Easiest way to support the stream. NQ still trying to hold this EMA. Kind of want to take a poke at it. Kind of don't want to at the same time. I got to take this order off. Look at me just holding orders in and shit. I'm trying to get myself cooked. Got to remember to take those off. Lots of resistance still up and around this price. I'm going to go for a little short here. Tiniest little scalp. Could easily be murdered. I'm going to have a tight stop on it. Very tight stop on this one, family. Going in on a mini as well.
Order filled.
I want to see a reaction. I think if we're going to be wrong, we're going to be instantly wrong, so I'm going to be okay with it. And there's the instantly wrong there. Want to see us stay inside of this 15-minute range. Want to see us staying inside of this 15-minute range here. And we're not. I'm going to put our order in. Buy 5. Wait. I'm short, so I need to buy 5 stop, yeah. What is the ATR on this right now? It is 32. We're in at the 20s, so we need to be out of the 50s, roughly. This is pretty much our last chance. So long as they're going to keep showing, they're going to keep showing. In fact, I already think we're cooked. Damn, the support at the VWAP. Yeah, I think we're very much going to get cooked on this trade now, family. Longs are printing. The longs are printing. Give me one retest. Give me a retest here, sellers. Defend this range a little bit here now. Show me some love. Defend this range. Show me some love. Defend this range. Get down there. Get down there so I can put this order on, you fucker. Wow. I don't know. You kind of can't fade these longs. Look at the reactions to each candle right now. I mean, look at this. Look at that reaction. You can't fade it. Where are my shorts at? Slap this thing down here. Longs are looking to be in control, though, family. I'm going to move this up a little bit, but it feels like suicide. I just see the seller starting to defend this, and I don't want to get absolutely ticked out before the move. I think we could see some selling here if we continue to defend the top of this range. Let's find some selling here, Nazi. Keep defending this range. We should be looking okay. Or we're going to be wrong instantly. There it is. The strength of these longs, man. Goof. Wow.
Stop filled.
Wow. The strength of those longs again, man. Wow. See the max payout here, brother, for you. Quick 90 bucks. Shitty tie. We have the exact opposite trades. I'm long into 26s. Long into 26s, huh? Let's see it, Mo. I'm short at the 233s. Good luck to all. I love it. You should try to get out. It's going to keep going up. All right, all right, all right. Slow grind up, Max says as well. I don't know. I don't know. Can't make this shit up, though. You should try another long with another EMA tap of the liquidity. We are riding the EMA kind of nice right now. Longs are in control. You should try. Think I'll leave the accounts for tomorrow. No problem, Max. You're crushing, King. You're crushing, brother. He's at the top of the 15-minute range. Still just threatening it. Look at the long. Like, I don't know. I just don't believe this. You don't think we're going to get a big red candle here? And, of course, I'm the fucking complete tick of it. 630 XFA, 1400 done for the day. I didn't enter on my Lucids. Fuck me. Way to lock it in, Mo. Good trading, King. I mean, every single pullback is being bought right now. Every single one. But yet we can't get up and through this price. It's really weird. Every pullback on this EMA is just being slammed to the upside, but yet we cannot get through this price. Why? And there it goes. This game really knows how to make me feel like a fucking top tick. I don't like this price action at all, guys. I don't like this price action in one bit. Have a good day, King. You too, Mo. I appreciate you for being here, brother. Good trading. Good. Start looking for shorts if NQ fails to break the NY high and breaks the 150 down, then maybe because rent is up. Trend is up, so I hear you. Oh man, I just feel like this is weak. Look how weak this is. Look how weak. Really gross price action overall, guys. Make sure you're being cautious, protecting your accounts. Oi, 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 oi. I don't know, guys. Just trying to watch, just trying to get an idea. I don't like this price action that much. But we are continuing to hold this EMA. It's just such a weird way that we're doing it. And then we keep doing that. We're flashing the high and then going sideways. It's kind of gross. Don't force anything. Nah, you're right, Max. You right, King. Gross, in my opinion. Pretty caca, in my opinion. I'm shorting. I'm shorting the 80s here. I'm shorting the 80s here. Ty, my first entry was a perfect along at the 160s. Let's go.
Order filled.
Let's go, Mo. Save that combine money. I'm trying, Maxie. I'm trying, King. I really am. Nice little reaction. Nice little reaction. Just trying to read this, guys. Just trying to read this. If we get stuck below this EMA, I wouldn't be upset with seeing some continuation. Right now, we do have our place up here. We're break even. Nothing to really worry about. I want to see the shorts that just showed themselves defending this second time that they're defending this price. I want to show them that they're serious. I want to see if they're serious or not. Could easily be broke even, but whatever. 33, don't stress, King. You got this. Beautiful top tick. Home runs. Looking heavy to me, but I'm probably wrong. Still holding. Holding. Might fill those wicks and go back up. Yeah, we just did tap into those wicks. Now I'm just trying to see if the sellers that stepped in are serious or not. Holding the EMA is pretty bullish here, though, for the longs. Holding the EMA is pretty bullish here for the longs. Oh my God, every fucking dip is just being so bought. Wow. You just can't make it up. The longs are just in control right now. You just can't make that shit up.
Stop filled.
He says you gotta try a long. I don't know. Just don't feel like we're in that direction. I mean, we're near the high of the day. Just doesn't feel like a safe entry at all. Yeah, we did, Max. Wanted to see it, and we saw it. All right, we're buying. This is just gonna keep fucking going. I mean, if it's just gonna keep fucking going. Hey, Ty, what's your go-to snack, like healthy-wise? I need one. Fruits, brother. Try to eat. Well, don't go crazy on them because they do have high fructose. Pistachios, popcorn, yogurt, stuff like that. Granola in my yogurt. Holy shit. Can't catch shit. I don't know. I might just lock it in here, guys. I feel like there's not... Like, if we're just going to keep taking the high out, there's not going to be much trades. Just my 2 cents, brother. Nothing wrong with playing defense when you're down. Base hits until you get out the hole. Yeah, you're right, Diego. I should have taken when I was up on this move. But, I mean, in my defense, I had 2 candles, 2 minutes to make the decision. You know what I mean? It came down to break even on this fucking thing, and then the next 20 seconds it was right back up to fucking 260s. Like, I didn't have a whole lot of time to make that decision. But you are correct. Should have taken some off there. Trying along at the 80s. Good luck, Queen. I want to see it play out for you. Got up to the 310s there. I need something low carbs, LOL. Nuts, brother. Nuts and yogurt. Protein. High protein. I told you I was going to hold 226 at 300. I'm a fucking pussy. You did say it, Mo. You did say it, King. I think fruit is high, right? Fruit is high. Fruit is high in fructose. It is high, though. Try cocaine. That's fucking hilarious. And fucking right back down. Yeah, Danny, that's why I've been, like, hesitant to just join the longs, because I know I'm going to get an elevator. Try this EMA touch. I don't know. We just took out a high. I don't love this EMA touch. We just took out a high and found big selling to push us right back in the range. Not really the strongest that you want to see here. Short and one more.
Order filled.
Stops are above the high of the day. It's probably my last trade. Want to see some, find some selling at this previous high that we've defended. Once the buyers pushed through, sellers defended it immediately. So I'm just trying to join some continuation here. Seeing if we're going to actually defend this top. Here's another little pull down. Got to make a decision fairly quickly here if we want this to actually break. Nice little move. Respectfully, probably got to just take this. I got to take this probably, and this is going to be the one that actually ends up being the one.
Order filled.
I got out. I don't fucking know. If they want to go down, they go down right here. He says it, and then I close. I need to trust them. No, don't short. It just made a hidden buyer. It just made a hidden buyer. All right, Nassim. Anyways, let me leave the charts before I do something dumb. Lock yourself out, Mo. You're trading great today, King. Guys, let's get the 20 likes to 20. Mo, I appreciate you. If we haven't hit those likes yet, family, let's smash that button. Show some love. Flush. I know, Corey. I should have held. I kind of like a short, he says now. No, Max. No, Max. 28 viewers, get that bread. Yeah, Blake, appreciate you, King. If y'all haven't yet, let's hit that button. We only need 20 likes. Appreciate every single one of you guys. I'm surprised you closed that, brother. Well, because you haven't been here, Sauce. It's been tough. Every fucking short we've been getting in has been getting crushed. So, had to just take some points. I took this top tick and didn't close anything. So, I had to just make something back. And this is why right here, Saucy. Managed risk, good work, bro. Thanks, Max. Feels like shit, but I hate Top Step. I have it on my phone. Weird stuff. Just no idea what she wants to do. Me neither. Small loss on the day. Trump just tweeted. He said, "Sell everything." Oh God, sell everything, then. Yeah, true. But those trades are in the past. Yeah, but when the trend's going up, Sauce, you can't keep fading. Can't keep fading trend. You gotta listen to the market. Gotta listen to the charts. If I get a nice top tick, gotta take some profits. Otherwise, this thing could just keep printing today. There's no reason to say it has to go down here. And we're continuing to hold the EMA so consistently. Had to lock it in. Had to lock it in. What's that put you on the day? We're still down, Sauce. Down fucking 400 bucks. Down 400 bucks, and looking like we would have just been tapped for break even if this continues. Trump just tweeted, "Sell everything." That motherfucker. And would have just been tapped for break even there. Man, these longs are so consistent right now. Insane to watch. I wish, brother. I wish. Me too. Me too, subs. Me too, brother. I'm putting everything on that. Wow, the market is just loving this right now. I mean, this is just crazy. Reaching higher. Excuse me. Sorry to do that in y'all's ear there. I apologize. Like a bull in a china shop. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, Sauce? More like a bull in a china shop. Yo, can we get a little bit of something here, Nazzy? Because this is getting a little cucka gross, nasty, bad. Ugly, ew. You know what I mean? Cucka gross, nasty, bad, ugly, ew. Stinky bad, not good. Good time for a velo pouch, if you ask me. A little pouchy. A little pouch. A little pouch-a-douch. Yo, let me know. Wait, what happened with Trump? No, Pobby, I think it was a troll. I think Saab was trolling us, saying that he tweeted to sell everything. Look at this line left on my head. What the? What the? Can't tell if it's that bad or if it's just the lighting. Kind of is that bad, isn't it? Upper and lower decky. Little top 6 milli for the lip pilly. Tygo ball. I'm like fucking 80% there. I got a hairline, so I'm gonna keep it while it's here, Saucy. No, now the shorts. Now the shorts. Now the shorts. Do we try to join these, or are they just gonna pull up like they have every other fucking time? This one feels a little bit more serious. Like you, Kaiji. Hey, you're the man, Pobby. I think we're gonna try to join this one more time here, family. Just one more time.
Order filled.
Just got tapped in there. Let's see if we can find the continuation of the downside here from these sellers. Gonna have a tight stop on because these motherfuckers have been aggressive all day. Buy 5 stops. Gonna be tight stops. See if we can get a flush, though. Come on, Nazzy. Show me the flush. Go rip this bottom face right off. Go take out the 50s. Come on now. Show me some love. Defend this EMA, sellers. Big Black, no wick. Come on. Has been a while, family. Big Black's no wicks here. Let's print. Come on, sellers. Defend that. I want to see a big black, giant black, no wick. Like the thickest black with no wick you've ever seen. Come on. Show me some love down here. Break through this bottom. There we go. Show me some continuation now. Hey, there we go, baby. Putting our break even on, family. Letting this thing just do what it wants right now. Letting this thing just do what it wants to right now. Beautiful little move here on the NASDAQ. Breaking in below those wicks. 230s. I'm going to continue holding. Breaking back inside of the top of the 15-minute range. I like to see it. I don't want to see any wicks, though. I want to see this thing close strong. I want to see this keep closing strong. I think I'm going to target the 200s for an exit, possibly. Buy 5 limit. Got my order at the 203s. If we can get some love down that direction. Looking for some selling. Waterfall. Whee! Come on, Sauce. This buying looks bullshit to me, but I've already expected buying, so I've already expected being wrong. Me too, subs. Feel the same way. Show some love. 200s. We back, boys. Paul's back. Let go, King. You damn right, Paul. Next candle, 100 points down. Big flush. Probably not. Come on, show me. Let's break those 200s. Let's break these 200s finally, Nazi. Show me some love here. Into the 235s. If we break below this, I think we're going to see some more. Into the 220s there. Could find some reaction at these 20s. This is a big spot where we could easily find a reaction. If the 20s break, I think we're going to be pretty clean to the 200s. Got to break through these 20s, though. Got to break through these 220s, though. Nice little reaction at the 20s. Not my favorite thing to see. Could easily find some support here from the longs. And we know they've been aggressive all morning. So when they step in, they could really step in here. Saab out here manifesting 200 incoming. Let's go, boys. Let's manifest. That's why we keep you around, Sabi. That's why we keep that mans. 229. Want to see it break just a little bit more. Looking for the 200s here. See the 219s. Can we break through this bottom? Don't want to see any more wicks. Come on. Come on. Big black, no wick. Don't wick out. Let's see this 200s fly one time for the guy. Can we find some selling into those 200s one time? Market is holding these 20s though. We gotta be aware. And these 20s, look at the resistance here with a lot of wicks again. It's a big spot. So if we can't break through these 20s, I think we're gonna find a little bounce. If we do get down and through here now, should keep reaching. I like that. I like this. I think we're locked to the 200s here, family. Nothing's a lock in the NASDAQ, but this feels kind of nice. Let's get down there one time for the guy. 203s. Now the question to you guys, right? Do I look for VWAP to try to pass his accounts right now? Or do we just happy with the 200s? Here's the thing that I'm thinking. The way that we're acting at these 220s, I don't think we would just bounce it to 200s. Okay? The way that we're reacting at these 20s make me think we might reach lower than the 200s. Do we look for more to try to pass these accounts? Or are we happy with the 200 exit? I have a feeling if this breaks, we're going to go see the VWAP. Holding seems nice. He's with me on that. I got to go see the VWAP here. I got to go see the VWAP here. And I don't even think the VWAP actually passes us either, unfortunately. It'll be damn close. Damn, I don't like this reaction at these 200s, though. There's a 203 tap there. Can we get heavier? Let's go sweep VWAP. Let's go sweep it. Don't love this reaction down here, family. At this previous wick spot. Do we just close? Just take our little win? Or do we look for... What do I actually need? So, 78s... I need another 6 from there, so that's 30. So I need 82. I need 82 to be done, I think. Do we think 82 could fire? 82 would be us passing these accounts, I believe. Problem is the 200 right now, family. I'm short with you. Let's go, Maxi. Who the fuck is going to carry the boat, sir? Who is? We still need to test the bottom of orb, in my opinion. That's kind of what I was hoping to see too, Sob. Double break the top with a failed upside auction. Looks like a range day to me. Holy, what happened when I was gone? We found some shorts, King. Holding seems nice. 160 possible. My daughter's sitting on me cheering, going, dad, 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 dad. Let's go. Little Sob. Welcome in, Queen. Here's the VWAP 193s. We're looking for the 82s. Can we get down there? We're asking a lot. Just got a flash.
Order filled.
Yes! What up, Bing? What up, boom? Hey! Oh, 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 hey! Break even, I love it, Sob. Let that thing ride. Let's fucking go. Pass? Yes, sir, Paul. We just passed. Congrats, G. Time to make some money. Let's go, Mo. Time to make that bread. Tomorrow with Maxi on stream, we're going to be trading. Nice trade. I appreciate you, Diego. Thank you, King. That deserves a like, Saucy says. I agree. If y'all haven't yet, show some love. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Finally, I know, Paul. We got what we needed there. Let's go, Micah. First time I think I've seen your name, chatter. Welcome in, King. Appreciate the support. Grats, G. I appreciate it, Paul. Now treat them like diamonds. Come on, Danny. We got to dial in here, Queen. Take advantage of this opportunity. Get paid. Gotta get some of this money I've been giving these prop firms back. Get back to the savings. Oh, and by the way, it might take 1 to 2 for them to activate your account because of Trade of A. Ooh, okay. That's okay, okay. Look how close we were to top tick in this one. Move didn't want to happen. Almost top tick this one. Move didn't happen. And then top tick this one. Look at us shorting the shit out of this today, actually. I'm so happy with these 3 entries. Top tick, didn't get it. Good risk management. Top tick, didn't get it. Good risk management. And then top tick did get it. Let's fucking go, baby. Come on, family. Come on. There's no other way to do it. That's how we got to end the stream. So, Mo, Saab, Mad Max, Kevin, Danny, Paul, Mika, Maxi, Sauce, Paul, Diego. I love every single one of you guys. Seriously. Thank you for stopping in, spending the morning with me. Thanks for trading together. Hopefully tomorrow we can keep this momentum rolling. If you guys haven't traded yet, make sure you're protecting your accounts. If you have, well, it's just another day. Keep your guys' head on tight. One micro was down 120 at most. Small paper cut failed double break, and I had faith the whole time. I love it, Sobs. 200 from passing the big one. Ooh, Maxi, let's go, King. Take care. See y'all tomorrow. So tomorrow, guys, we have a special treat. Gonna be on stream with Maxi. I'm gonna reach out to him tonight. We're gonna get some stuff figured out. Max, what time is it for you right now? Because I kind of want to maybe tonight hop on and see if we can get like a practice just so we can know that it's all gonna work out and like be easy. But we'll see what happens. What time you coming on, Max? He's gonna be on here. Well, I'm gonna be on at 9:30. I guess 5 p.m. for you guys. Right now it's 5 p.m. Holy shit, Danny. I'm Dutch. Make sure you don't call me at 1 a.m. It seems like it might be. No, it's fine. I won't do that then, King. We'll just figure it out tomorrow then, I guess. Because I got to get out of here right now for work, sadly. So, good shit. Hey, you're the man, Rush. Appreciate you for being here, King. W, Rush. What time you coming, Maxi? All right. Wait, you Dutch? Yeah, he Dutch, baby. Yeah, baby. All right, family. Tomorrow it's going to be exciting. Gonna have a little community stream. Gonna have Maxi on here showing us the Bollinger Bands. Every single one of you guys are fucking amazing. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you train a little bit hard today. Sweat your body. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And the fun continues tomorrow. Happy Thursday, family. Peace.